So spider mites it's a big family. But the one species that we're primarily working on in this lab right now has a very, very broad host range. It has over 100 different host plants, so pretty much anything a vegetable grower is going to be working with in South Carolina is at risk for this. When something goes wrong, they need to be able to fix it or they're going to lose their field. So one thing we're doing is screening populations across South Carolina for resistance to all the different miticides that are available in specific crop groups. I'm really interested, and I kind of got started in agriculture more because I was interested in really basic ecology questions, things like what kinds of predators are in different ecosystems. So one of the things we can do with that is find out, okay, I've got pest X. What predators are really good at keeping pest X at low populations, and then what are things we can do to promote those very specific predators in an agricultural setting. We just started a biological control in vegetables working group for the Southeast. So we have partner states that have joined us on that, and kind of the first thing we're trying to do is just establish what do growers currently know, what do they feel like they need more information about, and where are the big issues where they see that biological control could be a tool for them. But we're hoping in years down the road, we're going to start submitting grant applications and getting funding for doing biological control projects in all the different vegetables we have in the Southeast. One of the cool things about being an ecologist is a lot of times my plots are not necessarily plots, they're grower fields. My postdoc Monica is trying to find what species of mites we have. So she goes out to grower farms and samples and says, okay, here's what you have in your field, what you have in your field. And so it's more of an observational study as opposed to an experiment where we're manipulating things. So if she saw an issue with the grower's field saying, I think we've got some spider mites moving into the edge that he doesn't know about yet. And I said, tell his county agent and let him know that they might need to go out there and do some control measures. And almost immediate benefits in that particular project. One thing I really like doing is the field days that we have here, and then the watermelon field day that's out at the other recs, where we're actually showing the growers our research plots and being able to show them, like, you know, first off, we can show you some basic things like how to scout right here in the plot, hands-on. But this will also give you a sense of, you know, what benefits you might be seeing from Clemson maybe 5 years down the road, but eventually.